video, I'll be telling you the Bitpanda review. Bitpanda is a Bitcoin broker based in Austria. It offers a wide range of payment methods and has good prices. We may receive comprehension when you use Bitpanda. This post contains affiliate links. Low fees for buying Bitcoin with a credit or debit card in Europe. Tons of payment options. Fees are not displayed, just included in price. You can click the green button that says Buy Bitcoin at Bitpanda. Payment methods accepted. So for Visa, Nutella, Skrill, GuroPay, SEPA, and OBT. So I'm going to end the video right here. For more information, you can click the weirdest coins or the link down below, which is the blog.